Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make quick rolls. Start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees F and prepare a clean surface for rolling dough immediately. Measure ingredients precisely and keep fillings small so rolls bake evenly. I'll guide you through mixing, shaping, and timing for consistent golden rolls that stay soft inside. You'll learn simple tricks to speed up the process without sacrificing flavor or texture. In this video, I will show how to make quick rolls. Combine ingredients in a large bowl and mix just until a soft dough forms to avoid overworking gluten. Use 3/4 cup warm milk and 2 tablespoons melted butter for tender rolls and knead only about 5 minutes. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes while you prepare fillings or pans. This short pause makes shaping much easier and helps the rolls rise quickly. In this video, I will show how to make quick rolls. Roll the dough to a 12 by 9 inch rectangle and spread fillings thinly to avoid soggy centers. Roll tightly from the long side, slice into 12 equal pieces, and place cut side up on a lined sheet. Brush tops with butter and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown. Cool briefly before serving for best texture and ease of handling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.